Alright, so I haven't posted in a little while, but Cummins just hasn't really been drawing any attention. But as I got to changing the cab mounts on this truck because they are rotten, I was looking up on YouTube, how do you do it, how do you do it, how do you do it, and I've never done this before. And I couldn't find anybody who posted a clear video on doing it. Unfortunately, mine are already out, so I can't show the process of taking them out, but I can give you my best description. So, the flooring was gone in this truck, so I took out all the flooring, and it gave me complete access to the cab mount. So from there, I cut it out into quarters, took out the tack welds with a drill, and I cleaned it all up, and I got it ready for my new cab mount, which is right there. Now you can fab them, but I think it's simpler to just order them. They're not that expensive anyway. So on the other side, I did get the new cab mount in, which fits quite nicely if you have everything sanded. Now you don't have to remove the floor to get to the cab mount. You can just drill out all the welds if your flooring is still good, but mine wasn't so good. So here on this side, I got the new one in. My inner rocker was rotten out, so I welded a new patch in. So this is the new cab mount. You're gonna have two pinch welds there, not pinch welds, but just tack welds there and there. And then you're gonna have another two on the outside here, two on the outside here, and then you're gonna have two on the inside. You're also gonna have two on the underneath of the truck there, and three on the underneath of the truck there, which is on the cross member of your floor. What I chose to do is I cut it right here, the old one that is. I cut it, that way I could remove those little welds, and this front quarter would just come out, giving me space to access the rest. Now this section here is out, so I've got all this left. So I cut it right there, or flush right here actually. Now this takes out pretty much the whole thing. The only thing that's left now are those little tabs that hold the mount in place. But you cut all this off, and you got room now to get to those welds, whether it be a die grinder or a drill or whatever you choose to do. I just chose a grinder with a sanding disc, sanding the welds out, and it came out. Anyway, I had to replace the inner rocker. With that being done, you have it in. That way you put your flooring back on, you just drill a few holes through to have it welded onto your cab mount, and you repeat the process for the other side if both sides needs it. That's pretty much my best explanation of taking them out. Now I'll finish sanding that portion, patch a few little holes, and I'll start putting the new one in, and I'll show you what that looks like at a future time.